Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the revision for Standard 8 Chapter 5 for more on Photoshop CC. In this chapter, important objective questions will like this. Brush can be up to 5000 pixel wide. Press caps lock key if you want to see the brush size. Adobe Photoshop is available in the 29 language. And path and shape tools are also termed as the drawing tools because they help in making the complex shape and drawing. Eraser tools used to erase pixels and change them to either the background color or transparent color. Dodge tools used to lighten the area of an image, whereas the brush tool, burn tools used to darken the area of an image. The red eye tools remove the red reflection caused by the flash while clicking the photograph. Rotate view tools used to rotate the canvas on non-destructively. Sponge tools used to desaturate or saturate a part of image. To desaturate means to reduce the intensity or richness of any color, whereas saturate means to add more vibrant colors or brighten a picture. Note tools is used to make the notes that can be attached to an image. Ruler tool used to measure the distance and angle in an image. You can create a new layer by using the Shift, Control and N key combination. Now fill in the blanks. Adobe Photoshop is basically used for retouching and editing the photographs, and mixer brush tools allow you to paint a more realistic way by mixing color on canvas, combining color on brush and varying paint wetness across the stroke. Press caps lock key if you want to see the brush size. The default background color is black and foreground color is black and background color is white. Color replacement tools replace the existing color in an image with the foreground color. And the patch tools used to select the unwanted element from an image and replace them with the matching content from the surrounding. There are the two types of the navigation tool, hand and the zoom tools. Now, true false. Wrapping text is used to position the letter in a different shape is true. The text tool used to add and text to an image is false. A brush can be up to 2500 pixel wide is false. And the content aware move tools move any part of a picture to another area by shifting to another layer is true.